Tracking some cool temperatures tonight, but we're almost 15 degrees warmer than where we ended up this morning, getting down to about 40 degrees with cloudy skies. Tracking dry weather tonight, but we're going to be watching for rain moving in by mid-morning tomorrow. So here's your out-the-door forecast for tomorrow morning. We'll start it out at 9 a.m. That's when showers will start moving in for much of our area. Not warming up a whole lot tomorrow, though. We're only making it to the mid-40s. That rain sticking around through late afternoon. We'll get a break from the rain through most of the evening before the next round moves in. That could move in overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Moisture already starting to stream in from the southwest. That's why we're seeing some of that cloud cover this evening. We'll be tracking low-level winds picking up over the next couple of days and bringing us continued chances of showers and storms. Here's what our ABC 17 Storm Track Future Track looks like to start off the day. Out the door, make sure you have your umbrella on hand, but I don't think you'll actually need it until about 8 or 9 o'clock. So showers start to work their way in from the west. We'll stop here again in the late afternoon. This is at 3 o'clock. Temperatures are in the 40s, and the majority of the rain and a few thunderstorms start to work their way onto the east. Most of the evening is quiet, but by the time we get to early Wednesday morning, check out how those temperatures have warmed up. I'll be tracking a warm front that lifts north through the area. That'll give us a chance for a couple spotty showers and storms in the morning and temperatures to start off the day in the 50s. But we're going to warm up. We're getting into the upper 60s to low 70s on Wednesday afternoon. Depending on where that front sets up, the warm front that is, we could see a couple storms developing by afternoon and evening near that boundary. And as it works its way to the south and east through Thursday, we'll pick up even more rain, maximizing the heaviest rainfall along and south of Highway 50 Thursday night into Friday morning. Here's the rain tracker through Friday afternoon. Notice how those totals are highest just south of Jefferson City. Locations south of there getting anywhere from 2 to 3 inches, possibly some locally higher amounts where we see a couple stronger storms. Columbia to Fulton to California and Boonville anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches through that 3-day period. Just wanted to give you a quick heads up. We'll be watching potentially for a few stronger storms on Wednesday evening and Wednesday night into a Thursday morning, as we'll be tracking the possibility for some isolated strong winds and some heavy rain and a couple of those storms, especially along that frontal boundary. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Then for Thursday, the threat will shift to the south, mainly for heavy rain. Areas here in yellow, that's the percent chance, or 15% chance of seeing flash flooding within 25 miles of a point. So that would include areas just south of Columbia, Jefferson City, and the Lake of the Ozarks, where we could see 2 to 3 inches of rain. Here's our 7-day forecast. Certainly a big warm up heading our way with that warm front on Wednesday as we get closer to 70 degrees, but we'll be tracking most of the rainfall on Thursday into Friday.